common way of controlling access to computers is using passwords. But as a security solution, it often fails because it requires users to select and remember complex passwords. Many systems enforce password construction rules, such as a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters plus numerals. But even so, the results will often be spectacularly bad. In fact, the still common practice of complex passwords was debunked in 2017 after the persons who created the rules admitted they caused more problems than they solved. The best way to educate organisations on the importance of password stripping is to demonstrate how easy it is for an adversary to recover them. A hacker will gain unauthorised access into a system and then copy the password file to their own system to subsequently run password recovery. Once they retrieve the passwords, they've got valid credentials to use for access, which of course the system thinks are authorised. Passwords are not stored in plain text on a system because that would make it just too easy for them to be exposed. Instead, they're stored using a one-way hash algorithm, such that the hash is related uniquely to a password and easy to create, but it's impossible to reverse the algorithm and recover the password from the hash. There are three main ways to recover a password from a hash. Trying every possible combination of letters, numbers and symbols until you create a hash that matches. Using a technique called rainbow technique, in which every possible hash is created, and using a fast searching algorithm you can match the hash. And using a dictionary of plain text passwords to create hashes in serial language. First of all, let's take a look at the application menu and password attack submenu. Here we see we have four submenus: offline attack, online attack, passing the hash tools, and password profiling and lists. Each of the submenus contains a set of tools specific to the submenu topic. Offline attacks menu provides a set of tools to recover passwords from files that have been extracted from their host systems, although some are used directly on the host. The online attacks are used to try to directly penetrate a system online. Passing the hash is a method of using the hash directly to gain access to a system without recovering the related password. And password profiling and word lists provides tools and dictionaries for attacking password hashes. Dictionary attacks are much faster than brute force, and having access to a good word list is important. Let's have a look at the word list entry at the bottom. We can see that there are a number of links to word lists for various tools, plus an archive called rocku.text.gz. This contains a useful general purpose password file, which we'll be using shortly. So let's extract it. Clear and list the contents of a user share word lists folder. Rocku.text is a fairly big file. Let's check how many words are in it. Using -w rocku.text. Okay, there's a lot of candidate passwords in that file, over 40 million. The directory also contains the nmap.list file. Let's have a check and see how many entries there are in that. WC -L nmap.list. So there's just over 5,000 lines, and if we have a look at nmap.list, you can see there's some comments and then the words themselves. These are in the order of the most commonly found passwords, and we can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is up there at the top with passwords not so far behind. Let's take a look at the contents of the Metasploit directory. Here we can see the files used by Metasploit when it was doing dictionary tests. As well as default usernames and passwords, we can see special purpose lists for applications such as Joomla, SAP, Oracle, and so on. Kali provides a number of command line password dictionary tools. Let's look at three of them. We'll start with a tool called Crunch. Crunch is a tool to generate simple dictionaries using a syntax template. It allows dictionary words of specified length to be created, using options to specify their construction. The full instructions can be accessed as shown, but for the moment all we need to know is that we can use the % sign to generate numbers, and the @ sign to generate characters. Okay, let's generate the set of dictionary words password 01 to password 99 by entering crunch 10 10 minus T password %%, and we can see we've got all the passwords from password 01 to password 99. We can use the -O option to save the dictionary we've created. We'll generate all 6-character lowercase passwords, starting with pass, and save it to a file pass.txt. Crunch 66 minus T pass, and we'll use @ for lowercase characters, and we'll use -O pass.txt to save the file. And let's have a look at some of them. Nano pass.txt, and we can see we have pass AA, AB, AC, AD, all the way through to AZ, BA, BB, BC, and so on. The next tool we'll look at is called RS Mangler. RS Mangler is designed to read a simple dictionary file and provide for a wide range of permutations to be applied to generate a richer dictionary. RS Mangler has a range of options, and it's worth noting that these options are to turn off generation components, not to select them. By default, all mangling options are on. We'll use Nano to enter a simple set of 2 passwords and store them in a file easypass.txt. Nano easypass.txt, and we'll use password and secret. Okay, let's run RS Mangler with most of its options turned off and output the resulting list into a file called goodpass.txt. RS Mangler -A -C -C postfix of 1 to 123 -MB, the prefix of 123, and -F, easypass.txt, and the generated output into goodpass.txt. Okay, let's now look at goodpass.txt using Nano. And we can see a lot of permutations of the word password and secret. The final command line tool we'll look at is cool. The custom word list generator, and is used to extract words from a website in order to create a dictionary for password cracking. It can also be used to extract email addresses to use as usernames while testing web applications. Let's run that on our Metasploitable system and output the dictionary as meta.text. We'll analyse the website to 3 levels of depth. Cool. 10.0.2.32, which is our metasploitable server. -w meta.text is our output. And the depth -3. Okay, that's finished now. Let's have a look at the resulting dictionary. See, there's a lot of unlikely passwords, but remember that it's much easier recovering a password from a dictionary, even if it's got a lot of poor passwords, than it is to brute force it. And anyway, an unlikely password is a good password, right? Creating a website-derived custom dictionary can be useful when testing a target, because the website will often reflect the internal terminology of the site, and may even contain embedded credentials. Let's see how we can crack a password hash file. We'll use our Kali password file, but before we do this, let's create a couple of new accounts. We'll add George with a password of Big Secret, but in hacker form. Sudo add user George, and we'll put the password B1G-S We'll add Franz with a password of password1. Sudo add user Franz. Password is password1. Again, we won't bother with all the details. John the Ripper is a popular password recovery tool which is included in Kali. Let's use it to try to crack our password hash file. Passwords are stored in the /etc directory as the two files called password and shadow, using a form of hash known as yescrypt. We'll use John's unshadow tool to combine them into a standard Linux password file. Sudo unshadow /etc/ password /etc/ shadow, and we'll make that into a shadow.text. Let's have a look at the resulting file. Sudo shadows.text. We can see there's quite a lot of entries in here, and down at the bottom we find our 3 entries of Kali, George and Franz. The $Y$ prefix on the hash tells us that it's a yescrypt form of hash. Let's see what John the Ripper makes of the file. We'll tell John to use the rocku.txt password file, and we'll specify that our target hash file is a yescrypt form of file. Sudo John shadows.txt --wordlist /user /share /wordlist /rocku.txt -format John has found and displayed the recovered password for Franz. We'll leave John to carry on with its cracking. I'd suggest you take a pause at this point and try creating an account with a password that you've used and check whether John can crack it. John the Ripper can crack Windows password hash files. It's quite complex extracting password hashes from Windows, but a simple way to create a list of Windows NT password hashes to test our tools is to create them using the BrowserLink online portal. We'll create a hash file with nano winhash.txt, and in the online portal we'll enter Scorpion 5, calculate the hash and copy it to the clipboard, and we'll paste it in as user 1 and paste it in. Okay, let's create a hash for the password blue Phoenix. We'll do one more. Lady Hawk. Calculate the NTLM hash, copy to clipboard, and user 4. That's the clipboard. Control O, Control X. We'll tell John that these are Windows hashes by setting the format to NT, and we'll again use the rock.text word list. And we'll set John going. And fairly quickly we've recovered Lady Hawk and One Awesome Girl. With the recovered passwords, an adversary now can have ongoing access through the target's legitimate access mechanism and may well be able to access other systems on the same network using these credentials.